Today we'll be discussing how to use the Rx Destroyer all-purpose bottle. When you see the green label, think good to go. Pills, patches, creams, suppositories, lozenges, lollipops. These are all examples of types of medication that can go into the Rx Destroyer. Remember, when you're using patches, have the medication side facing out. Place your medication inside of the Rx Destroyer bottle. Always replace the cap when finished. When disposing of high volume of medications, you can attach a funnel to the top of the bottle. Make sure the funnel is secure by twisting the funnel until it is tight. Add medications to the bottle. On the side of the bottle, there's a view gauge that will indicate how full the bottle is. Once again, we consider the bottle full 2 inches from the top. The product will sludge up on its own over time due to the breakdown of medications. Always place a lid on the top of the funnel when finished.